truthfully, this is probably one of the nicest boxes I've ever received to just have glass in it. These are literally crystal Martini glasses. Special thanks to the company here who sent these out to me just to create an unboxing video to show all of you guys what you can get when you buy one of these. So, little magnet there. Open it on up and look at that. It comes with some stirrers for you. Very nice. That's what you put your olives on, I believe, and then you like stick down in there. Very cool. And then there's 2 glasses in here. There we go. Look at that. So the bottom almost looks like it's a shot glass, but it's not. It's solid. But this is a solid glass piece. And so you kind of, you're able to hold it like that in a way. But yeah, put your martini in and sip away. Also easily sets up. Let's get the other one out. And by the way, that's all that's in this box, but I mean, this has some serious padding in it, and you're getting a very nice quality box. I would truly probably take this out and use this box for something. Like, it's that nice. And so there's the other one. But yeah, you can hear that. I don't know if that's what crystal's supposed to sound like. These are the Martini glasses. Very nice, very pretty. And you can look at that. I absolutely love these. We're gonna add these to our collection of drinking glasses for in case someone's over and needs a glass, but this is it. Special thanks to them again for sending this to me for this unboxing. This is what you'll get, some very nice, in my opinion, high quality Martini glasses that just look great. And I mean, how can you beat that design there? I don't know, I love it. I think it looks great.